So you might be looking for a way to make money the easiest way on Surrounded. Well, there are multiple ways to create money or make money on Surrounded. So the first method and the easiest method here that you could try doing is basically just playing the game and looting everything that you find. Now the great thing about Surrounded here is most of the items that you could basically loot in here, you can actually sell them. But the thing with traders is they do have specific items that they buy. Like for example, for this person here, this person actually buys materials. So for example, you have a lot of stocks of cloth here. So in this case, I'm going to split this one, like for example, 10 stacks of it. You can go and just sell it in here. And basically we're earning money. So if you do loot everything that you find, and that actually includes clothing, by the way. So if you do have any clothing with you, you just need to right click on them and just basically rip them apart. Now this will be converted into rags, which in this case you can go and just sell this to traders in here. But if I'm not mistaken, you can only sell rags in certain traders here. So sometimes traders wouldn't actually accept them. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Now, the thing with also looting, sometimes the amount of loot that you can actually carry can be limited. So what I try doing here is I will get one backpack that I have equipped, and inside that backpack I will add another backpack, which in this case would expand my inventory. Now inside that backpack, I would also add another backpack, which would contain other loot that I may have. Now, the only downside in here is you won't be able to utilize like ammos. Like, for example, if you add ammo inside a bag here, you won't be able to use them. Just make sure your ammo is in your carrier here or your main inventory. So, in this case, once you do loot everything, you just go back into a safe zone here and basically try selling what you got. And the last and final thing, and actually the most boring one I could do here is by just getting hands on fire axe or any axe that you have, and just basically just cutting trees. Now, this is the boring one because what you need to do is you just need to start cutting trees here, and once you cut trees, what you need to do is you want to convert this into planks. Now let's go and just check ours. So we currently have like 42, we have like 13, so I think we got 10 wood from that. And you want to go and just go to workbenches. So no, you don't have to worry about this. Every safe zone has their own crafting station. So yeah, you want to go and just craft your wood planks here. And once you've crafted all the wood planks, so as you can see, I have like 24 right now. So it sells for 120 $120 here. So let's go and just try setting this to this trader here. Just gonna drag it in here, and they will buy it up, and that would actually increase our money. So yeah, that's another way for you to basically make money here in Surrounded. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.